In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your email accounts into one Gmail account. Start by opening a web browser and going to mail.google.com. Sign into the Gmail account that will become your central inbox. When your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard where you can control how mail is brought in and sent out. Along the top, click the Accounts and Import tab. This section is designed for exactly what we want, combining multiple inboxes so you don't have to jump between apps or tabs. To begin linking another account, look for the option that says Add a Mail Account or Add Another Email Address. Depending on your view, you may see one or the other. Either will start the connection flow. Enter the email address you want to sync with your Gmail, then continue. Gmail will check the address and offer you options. Choose Link Account with Gmail, also known as Mailify. This keeps your original address intact while giving you Gmail's best features: powerful spam protection, categories, threaded conversations, and fast search applied to messages from that other account. It's the simplest way to keep everything in one place without changing where people send your messages. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the linking. You'll typically be redirected to your other email provider to sign in and grant permission. Approve the access so Gmail can fetch and synchronize your mail. This permission is what allows Gmail to retrieve new messages, keep your inbox up to date, and mirror changes like read status. If your provider supports it, syncing will be near real-time. Otherwise, Gmail checks periodically and pulls in new messages automatically. Once the account is linked, you can optionally set up sending mail as that address so replies and new messages can come from the same identity. Back in Accounts and Import, find the Send Mail As section and add the same address. Gmail will guide you through the setup, and you can choose whether to reply from the same address the message was sent to or set a default from address that fits your workflow. After a moment, messages from the link account will start appearing in your Gmail. You can search, label, and organize them just like any other email. If you don't see Mailify as an option, don't worry. Gmail will present the available method for your provider, and the process still begins from the same settings area. That's all there is to it. Enjoy a unified inbox with less switching and more focus.